Hi guys, I'm Katja with Creators Image Studio. This is a nail video again, because new hobby. And today I am sharing with you how to do decals onto your nails. There are some special decals available, I guess everywhere, but I got mine on AliExpress. I got a lot. I'm a hoarder too. So yeah, they look like this. And well, it takes some practicing to attach them, to put them onto your nails, and I'm going to show you that today. So this is a nail tutorial, and as for the effect, you have great patterns. For instance, I have this what is it, a cake or pie. This is for the thumb. I hope it's focusing. And this is in fact an entire set of cakes and ice cream, and well, you can see that now in frame. Super cute. And well, I have practiced some more, so there's an entire box that I have done by now, and they contain like 12 pairs of nails. So there you go. So there are some ones with black base nails, purple, pink, white as a base, I mean, and then putting the decals over them. And today I will be showing you how to make these. So these are roses, and they are all different for each finger, and they have a red base nail. But wait! What am I wearing right now on these nails? This is a beautiful vintage-like press-on nail. You just buy it in a store and add a gold shimmer, a top coat with even a little bit of hollow. Well, and why not combine that with your latest vintage album or your photo folio with nice vintage papers? Look guys, you don't have to match your nails with your wardrobe. Just match them up with your scrapbook project. Look at these papercraft things, the colors, and look how well this matches up with your nails. How nice would it be to show this to your friends and family, because they might be able to scrap, but do their nails match their projects? I don't think so. That will be your unique selling point. So there you go. Check these out, guys, and have yourself some paper crafting nail fun. And we're back. They're in the box. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, guys. You saw me do them onto a red nail base. So that means you can pick any color you like and decal over them. Some of the decals are solid in the sense that, well, not transparent, I mean, so opaque. And some of them are transparent, so you will have to experiment with that as well. So you can always pick a white nail base or a black nail base, then you're always safe. But with the red roses, I thought well, a red nail would be nice. And you could, of course, also take some white nails and then polish them in any color you like and then do the decals. So get your own, guys, if you want to try this. They are really cheap, especially on AliExpress. So check these out. You only have to buy one to try it out. One set of 10 you'll get. So yeah, this was a nail tutorial. Next video will be a paper craft project again. So let me know what you think about this and about my other videos. If you like, subscribe to my channel, guys, and yeah, see you next time. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.